Yeah, Pam's just gonna...
You need waxing right now.
You need waxing now?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pam's gonna teach me how to maintain and keep my eyebrows up so that I can be more beautiful and help women understand how important brow care is.
Now, when you look at your brows, just so you know where your lining up goes, you always want to go straight up from your nose, and that's where your eyebrow should start. Okay? Just like that. All right, and then if you're looking straight into the mirror, you want to take and put this right here, and that should be your arch, right at the side of your iris, okay?
Right.
Same thing right here. You want to line it up with the iris. I don't know if I'm straight on you or not, but basically that. And then your tail should be
Right there.
Right there, from the end. Right there to the corner of the eye to the end, okay?
All right.
Now, you're probably like me, you get makeup in your brows and all that good stuff. So what we want to do is, like I said, I will wax these for you. It's no big deal. I'll do it before we go. But just basically just take and kind of take your pencils and just kind of go in like you're in the direction of your strokes. Okay, see how you just kind of following just kind of follow what you have. You can even use a powder or a pencil. I think y'all have a pretty fine pencil. These are great for removing mascara too, by the way.
Do I have
if
some
it's
on
dry? No, yeah, a little bit. Use something that's buildable. You know, you can go as dark as you want.
Now, should you try to stay closer to your hair color or contrast with that, or
if you have a brow powder that's got more warmth in it, you could easily do that. I'm just using a brown one on you. But what a difference with you having just that brow. Yeah.
Yeah. I always never wanted to look like a kind of Groucho Marx going anywhere, so
You
that
don't.
doesn't. Okay. All right.
No. And like I said, that little brush thing, you can always soften it. But what you want to see with your brow, and you can use whatever color you want to use,
Right.
is your shape. You want to have
I
that
see,
arch
yeah.
that opens up your eye.
It does. It does.
See, because otherwise you're focusing on this when that can frame it. And eyebrows are like so important.
And I noticed that it makes you look finished.
You have phenomenal eyebrows.
Oh,
I would never
thank you.
microblade your eyebrows.
All right.
And just take a little bit out under
Through
here
there,
to
yes,
leave that
yeah.
open up a little more. Same thing right there. Just take that out. Fabulous eyebrows. Nice arch. I mean, you are very lucky.
Oh, I'm blessed.
You are. Let's see, this one might want to come just...
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, I can see the difference of what it makes.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
And I think I'll just go wax that little bit off for you, and you can throw some eyeshadow back on it.
Okay.
Whoa, you got beautiful brows. Man, you do have Brooke Shields eyebrows. Lucky her. Lucky her. Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
It is awesome.
Much better.